right around the corner. It's pie season, y'all. And what better way to celebrate than with a true classic? Can you believe that I have never made an apple pie? Wish me luck. For our pie crust, I put the butter and vegetable shortening in the freezer to get nice and cold. Now we've got our flour, sugar, and salt into the food processor. We're gonna pulse those up and then add both the butter and then the vegetable shortening in stages, and then finish it off with some ice cold water for our pie crust, which we will then refrigerate for an hour. Now that the crust is chilling in the fridge, we can get started on our star ingredient, our apples, of course. We're gonna peel and then slice up 9.5 to 10 cups of fresh apples. We're slicing up our apples with a quarter. We're gonna put them in a non-stick, thick bottom pot over medium-high heat with a couple teaspoons of water or cider, your preference, just to relax the apples for about 5 minutes. And we'll take them off the heat and back into a bowl to cool. To finish off our filling, we're gonna add our lemon juice, the cornstarch and sugar, a pinch of salt, our spices, which is either nutmeg or cinnamon, and a cup of raisins or craisins. For about 10 minutes, and then reduce the heat to 375 for another 40 to 50 minutes until your pie is golden brown and delicious. The spices on those apples with the raisins and the flaky crust, this pie packs a serious punch, and it's perfect for fall in South Carolina. Now all I need is a scoop of ice cream.